On behalf of the Uyghur and other peoples of East Turkestan, I want to thank the brave people of Hong Kong for standing with us in solidarity and for supporting independence for East Turkestan. Exactly 70 years ago today, on December 22nd, 1949, the People's Republic of China under the Communist Party overthrew the independent East Turkestan Republic. Since then, China under the Communist Party has been engaging in a brutal campaign of oppression, not only in East Turkestan, but also in Tibet, South Mongolia, Manchuria, and even in Hong Kong today. Thus, it is important that the people of Hong Kong, East Turkestan, Manchuria, South Mongolia, Taiwan, Tibet, and the freedom-loving people of China stand in solidarity with one another and strive peacefully to oppose this illegitimate and oppressive Nazi-like Chinese regime. The Chinese Communist regime has continued to lie to us and broke all of its promises. 70 years under the Chinese Communist Party has led us to realize that without political rights, in other words, full independence, there is no way that we can truly safeguard or guarantee our basic human rights and freedoms. Thus, we call on the people of Hong Kong to continue to remain strong and to continue pushing for freedom. The people of East Turkestan stand with you, and the voices calling for freedom all across the world stand with you. We again call on the United States and all of the free world to support the people of East Turkestan, Hong Kong, Manchuria, South Mongolia, Taiwan, Tibet, and the freedom-loving people of China to bring an end to this evil Chinese fascist empire and its Communist Party. Thank you.